Clark, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. I want to also wish you guys a very happy Valentine's Day. All the products that I'm going to be using in this video today are vegan makeup products, and the brand that I'm going to be using is Arbonne. Absolutely love this company, and it's not because I'm a brand consultant. I'm just in love with it. The products are definitely pigmented, and they taste good, they smell good, and also they are doing an amazing job of keeping your skin happy, healthy, and glowing. Arbonne offers much more than just cosmetics, but that's what I'm showing for today. So hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Also leave me a comment and tell me how you guys are getting ready for your Valentine's Day this year. Enjoy! Hi everyone, so as you can see, I did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to be starting with the Arbonne Shea Butter Lip Balm. I love this stuff, and I think it's wonderful to keep my lips moisturized before I start doing my makeup. This is the makeup primer from Arbonne, and I apply this to my skin after it's been cleansed and moisturized to keep my makeup on longer. I'm going to be using the Arbonne Real Conceal Concealer in the color Dark to apply on my eyelids. And what I'm going to do with this is help to create a base for my eyeshadow. So I'm going to blend this above my crease and also a little bit below my eyebrows. And I'm going to go in using the color Twilight from the Starlight Glow palette from Arbonne in my crease area. So as you can see, I am using my brush in a back and forth motion like windshield wipers, guys. And this is going to help distribute the color evenly to that area of the crease. And next I'm going to be using the color Blush from the Blush collection from Arbonne, and I'm just applying that color right over top of the Twilight color that I use from the Starlight Glow palette. The colors look very light, but they do show up towards the end, guys, I promise. The next thing I'm using is the color Sienna. This is from the eyeshadow collection, and I'm going to be using this at the corner V of my eyelid. And this is just to add a little bit more depth and dimension to the eye and give it a little bit more of a pop. I have a lot of light colors there, and I want to, create a little bit of depth. Not too much of a smoky eye, just a little bit of darkness. And it doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be perfect, because I'm going to be going over top of it with the Real Conceal Concealer again. And what this does is just helps to create more of a pop for the eye color I'm going to apply. And this is the Arbonne It's a Long Story mascara that I used as a liner because I didn't have my liner with me. So it works, guys. It's a good dupe. And the color I put on top of the concealer is Twilight from the same palette. I just didn't show that in the footage. Sorry about that. But it is a wonderful palette, and it's very versatile, which is why it is one of my favorites, and I'm using it in this video. So the next thing that I have is the LA Concealer, LA Colors DramatiLASH lashes, and the brand name for these is DNA. I got royalty, got loyalty inside my DNA. And I am applying these to my eyelash line. Lashes are still not the easiest things for me to apply. I'm still learning with these. So you'll see in some parts of the video that they are kind of coming up. I didn't put enough glue, so I did go back in and fix them towards the end. But ta-da! They are on! And this is the Perfecting Liquid Foundation, one of my favorites. This is in the color Toffee Bronze, and I'm going to be spraying it with the Arbonne Regenerating Toner from the RE9 line. And this just helps to spread the makeup more and really give me a nice even coverage. I love this foundation. It's lightweight and really feels like I have nothing on, and it looks natural. Just blending it all in, ladies. Blending it all in. I'm going back in with the Real Conceal Concealer, and I'm running out of this. I have to order more, so you will see that it looks like I'm like dragging this all over my face, but I have to try to get as much product out as I can. So I'm applying this under my eyes. I'm applying this on the bridge of my nose. And I'm also going to be applying this on my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. And this is just going to highlight the areas that normally would hit sunlight. Sunlight's going to hit these areas and definitely, create a pop. So I am blending this out. And I really think that highlighting is just so important because it just creates more dimension to the face as well as contouring. I'm not doing much of that in this video, but I wanted to show you guys how I do this so that you can see how I make my face look great. And also just add some dimension so that my face doesn't look flat. That's really the main point of this. So I'm blending this all in. Almost done, ladies. Almost done. Blending away. And now I'm going to be going in using a setting powder. I don't remember the name of this. I will definitely leave this in the comments. I'll leave it in the description below. But I'm just patting this under the areas that I want to reduce oil in because I do have combination oily skin and powders everywhere. And I want to make sure that my face is not as oily as it does get midday. So now I'm going to be using the bronzer. This palette that I'm using is still the same Starlight palette. I'm using Twilight again, and I'm just applying this to my cheekbones. And I'm also applying it to my areas. I did apply it to the areas of my forehead, yeah. So what that is going to do is just to create more dimension on my face so that it does not look flat. And now I'm going to take a brush that I have from Real Techniques, and I'm going to just blend this all out. Blend it out, blend it out. And this color is Stardust. I almost said Twilight again. And I'm going to be using this as my highlight color. I'm going to put this on my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose area, the bridge of my nose, and my chin, as well as my cupid's bow. And the highlight from this is just insane. Look at that. Whew. Fabulous. I absolutely love this palette. Look at that glow. So I'm just continuing to apply this. As I mentioned, I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose and also going and adding it to the tip of my nose. I promise I'm not giving you guys the finger. I promise. I'm just applying this to the bridge of my nose. Here's my cupid's bow. Give me a little highlight above the lip. Hitting that chin really good. And then I'm going to get my forehead just a little bit. I'm not going to be too obnoxious with it because I do have a larger forehead and I want to make sure that I'm just getting the area that is going to just make it look a little bit, give it a glow, not have too much flatness to it. So now I'm going to just blend in the highlight with the same foundation brush that I used on my face. This is also a brush from Real Techniques. And I'm going to be using the lip gloss from Arbonne. This is in the color Cardinal. And it's the glossed over lip gloss. Very light, very smooth. And it is definitely long wear. I love it. It's not something that's going to last all day long. But it will last, I want to say, a couple of hours. Get an hour or two, give or take. But it's great. So I'm applying that wonderful color for Valentine's Day. Ladies, if you are looking for Valentine's Day glosses or lipstick, definitely check this out. I'll leave the link below. And I'm going back in with the Twilight color from the palette again. And I'm just applying this under my eyelids. So this is going to help create a balance from the top of my eye as well as the bottom. And I'm going to be using the eyeliner pencil in the color Carbon to line my waterline. Does anybody else do that face when they put on eye makeup? I'm going to be putting on some of the It's a Long Story mascara on my bottom lashes. And voila, this look is done. If you like this look, oh wait, I'm not finished. I'm also using the regenerating toner, and I'm putting this all over my face to help set my makeup. And this is it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe in this video, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at I am Jasmine Clark. Thanks for viewing. Oh,